Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is James Bogwa. So if you're new, just consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will really help. So today I have an e-commerce site that I really want to share with you guys. It's developed in Python. So let me start. I'm going to come here. I'm going to run the server. Just like that. So the server started this spot. So we're just going to copy this and paste it in the browser. Just like that. Yeah, I'm going to open the browser and then just going first of all to create this tab so that we can work with one tab. So I'm going to paste that. Sorry for that. And I'm going to paste up to there. So basically this is the UI, but this content can be changed dynamically, like this text, these ones. So if I want to change those text, I'm going to come here to the admin, and then I'm going to come here to homepage images, and then I can be able to manipulate this. Maybe the title I can say YouTube, maybe testing. Then I can add rating just like that. And for this reader text we can say the best in town, maybe something like that for demonstration purposes. Best in town, like that. Also this one you can change to shop with arrows, so there's something catchy, so you can get creative there. So if I save those changes, then I go to view site again, you can be able to see that this text have been changed. As you can see, the best in town and shop with us, I never regret. So you can get creative with this one. You can also see this one is updated, so you can change the content even daily if that's what you want. That's basically the logic of dynamic. This admin can only be shown by if you are logged in as the super user. You have the right to see this, but if you're just a normal user, you cannot see this. So I'm going to start by adding products that the customers can shop. But for now, you can see we have two products. So these two products can be traced back to the admin. So if I come to here and then I go to products here, you can see I have two products, and these products are the ones that are showing here. These two products. So I'm going to add 3 products and we are going to go through the other process. So I'm going to come here to admin, and I'm going to go to products, then I'll just click on this add. So I'm going to type the name. So I want us to add another category of maybe vegetables. Okay, the category is already there, but maybe you can add another one just for demo purposes. Maybe you have cars, it's category of cars. So that's how you add categories of a certain product, because each product must fall under category. So going back to product, so if I click on this add, I can start by typing, maybe I have onion, I want to sell onion, then I will choose the image of the onion. So I have several images here downloaded from the internet just for testing. Just open that. So I have that, the first image, and maybe it's a vegetable. You can type the preview text, what the user will see, and click the product. So maybe preview you can say fresh from farm. Details, you can describe in details this onion. So I'll say the best. You don't have just anything, but you can get creative. You should get creative so that you can catch the attention of the user. So the price, I go to this part. So the price of the onion, if I key in just maybe the price to be 10, and I leave discount price field to be empty, so it will use this price. But if I key in the discount price to be something like 5, it will use this, and it will be able to subtract from 10 minus 5, and the discount will be 5. So let's complete, and you will be able to see this one. Okay, so tag text. You can tag this product with a text, maybe something like new. Tag label, you can choose the type of the color that you want to be displayed. Primary is blue, secondary, danger, almost red, brown, warning, yellow, success, which is green. So let's go with this one, green one, the green one for success. So I'm going to come here, and I have several fields that are not required, but I can keep them for demo still. So we have additional information. Maybe you can say buy 100, get 5 free. Okay, then we're going to go to sales package. What will be in that package after I purchase this only? Maybe only shopping bag, just something simple, just for testing. The model number, onions don't have model number, but just let me key in number here, but can be empty anyway. Part number, okay, this one I'll just rate them to be empty, and the color I'll just key in to be green. So I have 3 images that I can add for this onion. So I'm going to select, I had selected this one, but because I have 3, let me just select it. So again the second one, and finally I want to take this one. So I'm going to save like that. Okay, it's saving. My internet connection is a bit slow, that's why you can see it's a bit loading, but it's normally fast. Let's just wait for it to finish. So our product onion has been added. So if I come to the site now, if I request the site, I'll be able to see that the product onion, this one, has been added. And if I click it like this, also you can see the animation here. So if I click on this one, you can be able to see that those images that we have added are visible here, and the price was 10, then the 5 was the discount, and it has said you have saved 5. You can be able to add to cart, but we will come back to that. So let me just add the other 2 products very fast, then we continue from there. So the other one, you can see we have tomatoes, and I'll choose the image for tomato. Let me take this one, then the category maybe vegetables, maybe preview text, something like that, details, one. Again, you can get creative with this one, but I'll just type anything. The price will be 20, then I will not key in this discount, then the text will be also new, and the button will be warning, and I'll choose the 3 images. So I have that one, I also have this one, and finally I have the last one, which is this one. So I'm going to save. So I'm waiting for it to save. It should not take that much time. It's my internet which is a bit slow. So I'm going to add the last product here. So come here, maybe a laptop this time, maybe Pro 30. So maybe I'm gonna choose the image, and the category this time will be a laptop preview, best. Just for them, I'm just typing anything, but you can get creative as I've said. Okay, then the price of this one will be maybe 20,000 like that, but the discount price will be 15,000, just for you to see how it will be able to calculate. Then the button will be something like primary. You can choose it primary, additional information, buy and get one free. You buy, you get one back free. Okay, just charger bag, etc. Model number, maybe we have the laptop, something like that. The part number, something like that. The color to be yellow, no, actually silver. It's normally silver. So I'm going to add the 3 more images. So I'm going to start with that one, then I have another one here, then finally I have the last one. I think I should use any. So I'm going to save, so I'm waiting for it to save. So let it save. Okay, it's added. So we have added these 3 products: 1 onion, tomato, and HP ProBook for 30. So if I come to the site and just refresh, then I go back to shop, so we have more products here, where we have 1 onion, and we have 1 tomato, and we have 1 laptop. So you can add unlimited products that you have in your store, and the system is not specific maybe to a certain product, that it can only sell these products, but actually it can sell anything. That's why you can be able to see that we have vegetables, and still we can be able to reference that we want also to sell a laptop, as you can see from here. So let's continue from here. So I'm going to log out, because I'm logged in as a super user, and we create a user, fresh user who is not at the admin. Then we're going to go through the process of shopping. So let me just log out. So I'm going to create the account here, and I'll use any email, maybe youtube@gmail.com. Assuming this is my email, just copy it. Then the username will be demo, first name, that is m-pesa, I'll choose it, just like that. Then I'm not a robot, my bad, I'm not a robot. So I'm registered, so I'm going to log in, then I'm going to type my password, just like that, and boom, I'm logged in. So as you can see, he's not able to see the admin button that was here, but he's a user. So, and his username is demo, and you can see the store has 5 products, the 2 that was initially there, and the 3 that we have added just like now. So he can be able to search from here, maybe by category. You say I need vegetables this time, and just click on search. As you can see, we have 2 products. So the products that we have added at this vegetable category, we have the onion, and we have this one. Also, he can be able to just browse through all the items, but actually searching is much faster. So this one, maybe he decide that I want to buy this onion, this tomato, I mean, my bad. So I'm going to click this one. So clicking on this one, this image will be able to, the user will be able to view these images, as you can see. So, and he will also be able to see its home product, it's tomato, and if we had a good description, it could appear here, but I've just keyed in anything. And as you can see, this product, we have just keyed in the price without the discount price. That's why you can see we are just getting 20, and there is no discount price, as opposed to when we could have selected the onion. Then we do that, this one, you can see we have the price and the discount price, and the discount is 0. So we're going to come here, let me go back to shop, and I'm going to just click now to this tomato, just like that. And I want to add this one to my cart. As you can see in my, if I visit the cart right now, my cart is empty. Your cart is empty. Now active orders, go to the shop to add. So I'm going to come here, shop, Then I'm going to click on this product, tomato, that is this one. So I'm going to click it. So I want to add this item to the cart, that I'm being satisfied that this is the item that I need. So I'm going to add to the cart just like that. So as you can see, I'm buying one quantity, which is 1, and the price is 20, this one. So if I decide I want more, if I click on this button, so the quantity is 2, but the price is still remain to be 20, so the total is 40, and so far and so forth. So if I click this one, assuming I want to buy 4 of them, so the price should be 80, assuming I can click this one without even checking what I'm doing. So you can see the item quantity was updated, the item quantity was updated. Okay, 13 tomatoes will cost you 260, as you can see from here. Okay, and you can also be able to remove this item from the cart. As you can see, the total is being taken here still, and you can proceed to check out. But before you proceed to check out, you can also continue shopping from here. So assuming I come to continue shopping and I still click on the same image, or the same product I mean, so what will happen if I add to the cart? It will add the quantity, it will check if the product exists, and if the product exists, the quantity should be added rather than duplicating the same product. So I'm going to continue shopping, and this time I'm going to take another item like this one. So I'm going to click the onion, and I'm just going to add to the cart. So just to demonstrate that you can be able to remove an item here, I'm going to remove this one, that is 280, the tomato that we had, just clicking on this button. And before I could have done that, sorry for that, I could have shown you the accumulation of the total. As you can see, if you have several products like this one is 5 and this one is 20, so the total should be the sum of these two, which is 25. 20 plus 5. Okay, allow me to remove this one. So I have this one quantity of 1 onion that I want to proceed and pay now. So I'm going to proceed here to click this button, and here you can see that what I have is 1 onion and it's costing 5, and the total is 5, and the payment history is not paid still, so shipping fee is not included yet. And you can see your bidding information here, and you can be able first of all to update before even you pay. Then you can see your name is James, then your phone number, you can type your phone number here, then town will be something like that, and the estate to be anything, any address. So this is the bidding information that will be used to ship your package. So I'm going to save. So as you can see, my bidding information has been updated. So here I have payment options where there is m-pesa, it's a mobile money transfer based in Kenya. So there is a way that you can pay your bills using the phone number through the m-pesa, using the m-pesa. So we have two options here. We can use this one, the first one, where you ensure that the Safaricom number is in this format. So the number of this company should be in this format. Then you just click on pay if you have just keyed the number. So as you can see, the number that is being taken is this number that we have added here, and actually this number was wrong. I've added just anything, so I'm going to edit it so that we can key in the code number that I have. So 0731481050. So this is my number in my phone right now with the cash that I want to pay. So I'm going to save and proceed to payment. So I'm going to come here. As you can see, the number is updated here, and you can be able to change the number. So if you click on that, you can change this one to anything, then finally you can be able to update just like that. So after updating the number, now I'm ready to click on this button to pay, so that the product that I've ordered can be shipped to me. So I'm going to click this button, and before I click that, I want to ensure that the server is running. There's something I really want to show you here. So I'm going to come here and click this pay now, and I'm going to come to here. As you can see, we are going to pay 5, and the number that is paying is this one, 07, this one, and it's a success, meaning that I'm receiving a pop-up right now in my phone. I have received a pop-up where I have to accept if these transactions should go through. Right now my phone is vibrating, but I have that message saying, do you wish to pay this amount for the onion? So if I confirm the payment, it will be able to be saved here. Okay, let me go back to account. Sorry, my bad. So I log out, and I log in as the super user because I cannot be able to access that account, that admin area when I'm just a normal user. So I go to the admin just like that. Then I'm going to go to M-pesa. So return M-pesa online. So when I pay, the transaction will be saved under this number here. And after paying, let's go back again to that user. I believe it was YouTube user. Yeah. So going to check to cart, then check out. So if I paid, so this one will be paid, it will change to paid, and the product now can be shipped to you. So the system is not yet that complete because it needs to be added to where a credit card can be used, currently unavailable, and finally bank transfer. So those two are not yet done, but that's what for now it's able to do. And thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate for you have taken your time to watch my video. So if you're new, just consider subscribing so that I can continue posting more content like this one. So finally, before I cut short the video, I can show you a live website that it's using this system's code. As you can see, this one is a bit updated, so this one is live. You can access it from anywhere using this one. I'll just put this one in the description of this video. So this one is a live one where that I've integrated using even these messages, talk messages, and it's a site that I normally use to sell these gadgets, computers, and accessories. So this one is a live one, and it has really helped me to reach more clients and to be a bit professional. So thank you very much. And in case you have a question, or maybe you may want a system that I can develop for you, you can just tell me, comment in the comment section. I would really